Let's start.
Okay. I have hidden my secrets. Karin, hide your secrets.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, that's perfect.
So on Saturday, not Saturday, yesterday, I after the meeting I continued working on Google review fetching, but I was getting the issue like the quotas is depleted. So because it was late, I just closed this morning. I woke up and started researching why it was saying that. Then I discovered I have to increase the quotas for my business information API and also my business account management API. So to do that, I have to go to my business account and apply for those new quotas. So application sends the email to the support team in Google.
One question. You are using which account?
I used my account when
Because
it
your
started.
account, you don't have billing account there. You have the saves account that I sent you on yesterday. If you
Yes.
use that, we realized here on yesterday that we have our quota is very high. Your own JCP account that you have created, I am not sure that it have billing account. It is a personal JCP account. That's why your quota is limited.
Okay.
So
What
I
the
share with
test?
you.
The test that I did them on the service account that you sent for the company yesterday. That is what I've been using for testing. But
Okay.
now when it's because I was getting those limitations, the quotas limitations, the requests. So that is when I decided to now start researching using my personal account, because that one I have all the privileges and test things around. So because I didn't also want to bring you in again and start going through those things, applying and increasing the quotas, I thought it was wise for me just to use my test account and see if they're able to assist.
Yes, but we checked the quota on yesterday, and we don't have a limitation. I am not, because if it is a limitation of quota, maybe you can pull only 5 review or maybe 10.
He
Because
didn't give me any review at all. When I ran my script.
and you remember that when we were using the API, we were able to fetch five down review.
Yes.
And now we are using service account. It's not possible to fetch even one down review. It means that there is something wrong. There is something wrong, because with API, you are able to fetch 5.
Yes.
With service account, you fetch 0. You are not fetching 1,000. If it is quota, it means that you will fetch at least 1 or 2. Quota mean what? You are able to do something, but you have a limitation. But in your case, what you are saying, you are having 0.
I just ran one request and it was giving me the limitation. It didn't give me the results.
Because that is, I don't see how to explain that, but because you see yesterday our quota, you have 200.
Yes. I actually saw that, yeah.
It means that you can fetch other information. There were only one information where we have 0. And I think that information was about
requests.
yes, it was only about to request.
Yes, that is actually what I'm supposed to use, requests, because we are requesting the information.
Yes, but I am not really sure, because what you are doing is only to read. It means that you are not target the correct on data, because with API, we were able to fetch some review with no issue.
Mm-hmm. Yes, with API it works. Even right now it
And how
works.
it saves account is not working.
I really don't know sir why
Yes, it is. I think you are not. The point is to target the good information. Because maybe if you use and you are requesting, because I'm not seeing how that quota will be helpful or not. And if you ask to increase the quota, you have used which account?
increasing the quota. I just used my account.
Yes, I am not sure that they will reply you as soon as possible, because you have personal account, you don't have billing account. You know, a lot of people will create a GCP don account, but it's like when you have a Gmail don account, you say you want to contact the support. I'm not sure that they will reply to you very soon. Because I don't. The problem is that it is taking us a lot of time. And every time we need to do it, and after we do that, it does not work. And I think what you need to do is, before asking for some change, I think you
Mhm.
need to make research find. We have a lot of AI there. If you don't check all those AI don't together, and you just see what ChatGPT give you and say, "Oh, this is what I will do," we will change a lot of things, and maybe at the end, we will not have the solution. Because if you don't focus on documentation very well and be 100% sure, or maybe if you are unsure, we just put the static don't review there. Because even this quota that even if you increase it, I am not really confident that this is what will solve the issue. The quota were in which API? Business information.
Business information, and also I did more research again, and they also want business account management.
What do you have here? Yes, the only limitation that we have yesterday was request per minute. That is only it. The request per minute. There is nothing else. Okay, let me share my screen. Can you stop sharing your screen? Because there is nothing else here. It's only the request per minute. You see, this is the quota that we were taking yesterday, request per minute. It means that all this cherche Google dans location, this is just per minute, request per day. This is when you are trying to do something per minute. It is there on 0. Because there's no reason that Google will block something here. And here you have this search, 200. Because I am not see, and which one you have done, you have done request for what? Because according to this, we don't really need it. Business, you say what? Business account?
Account management.
Do we need this?
Yeah, we also need that.
Because but normally it's going to be 0 here. Similar here, this is per minute. So this is where you have made the request.
Yeah, because I needed to get the account location. I've also gone through the Google documentation itself. So I first need to get the account location. And to get the account location, I need to run an HTTP request. So after getting the account ID and location, then I can now list all the reviews.
Okay, we will try this, but if it's not work, we will stop like that, and we will continue with the manual part. Try to see what do we do. Yes, but if you have submitted, they are saying that you cannot submit if your quota is 0. You remember that one yesterday?
Yes, yes.
And so even if you submit, nothing will happen. You can check the screen because we saw this on yesterday. They say that if the quota here understood that I can only submit this request if I already approve for API access. I confirm that my quota is not currently to 0.
But the business account, the account management, the quota is 0.
Okay, so this is for global. Let's assume that this is for global. Okay. Uh, we try this, and if it's not work. Google platform number. And when you have applied, where did you take the number? The project number?
Project number, it's within the project.
Yes, but that is project ID.
There's a way I checked. Just a minute. Console. When you visit the console homepage,
Yes.
you will it will welcome you to your project. Like when you select the project, it's going to show you the project number and the project ID. For example, I have a project called Aluku. So it welcomes me, then under that.
You can share your screen and show me.
Okay. Okay, just a minute. Let me share the screen now. See here. Use a project number.
Okay, I need to go on the welcome page.
Project ID.
Yeah. Where is the welcome page? Okay. I got it. Thank you.
Okay.
So the API that you have chosen is
It's a business account management.
It is account management API.
Yes.
Okay. And what is your request that update? What is your requested update quota amount?
For my case, I requested something like 200. Yeah.
200. Okay, they say put 600 if your request is for your new limit to be 6 query per minute. That's right to put down there. Okay. I hope I have put everything. Tak. Okay. I think this time if it does not work, I think we will put first the static one.
Okay.
Because until we have some developer that will join us, and then maybe we can work on that. Right now, our team is only 4 people, 4 persons. So what we can do now is to leave this submit and see what they will do.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, and what is your next step now?
So when I hit that limit and I did the submission, I first left it like that and came back to the SpamAssassin.
Okay, good.
Yeah. So I'm working on the SpamAssassin now. Just trying to follow the documentation and running the tests. Still, my postfix is bypassing the SpamAssassin. So SpamAssassin itself is working. If I do a direct test email to it, it actually works. But when I do it through postfix, it is being bypassed. So I need to really find the reason why it's bypassing.
Okay.
Yeah.
And last time we checked the documentation, and inside the documentation there was a script.
Yes.
We pipe or email to SpamAssassin. Did you check the script again?
I check the script again, and even when I do the debugging, I make sure that I send this to the AIs that I'm using. I make sure I tell them that this is the official documentation. So I've created all the files, all the scripts, rechecked all of them, but still it's bypassing the SpamAssassin. It's delivering directly to DAVCode. So
Okay.
for now, I haven't really figured out why it's bypassing this. Then another thing I realized today is that I actually had rspamd also installed in the system. I think ChatGPT had misled me sometimes back when I was trying to install. So
Oh, you already have the SPAMG.
I removed it. I actually removed it because I wanted to make sure that I only have SpamAssassin running.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is
So my next step is just to make sure that this works, SpamAssassin works. If it works, I can also jump back to the review fetching if the quotas is fixed, maybe.
okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That's SpamAssassin. starting consuming us a lot of time.
Yes, to be honest, it has really consumed a lot of time. It is even when I wake up and I spend like 3 hours, 4 hours, this thing is not working and it's just becoming annoying.
Okay.
It's so annoying, to be honest. I've spent like the whole of last week trying to work on it and fix it. And I really don't know, maybe I should try rspamd on the side. I don't know what you guys suggest.
For us, SpamG, we still have to, let's continue with SpamAssassin
Okay.
until Emmanuel can also try to see.
Yes, Emmanuel and Karen also maybe
Yes,
they will find a solution. Or
if
if we are okay.
if all we none of us get the solution,
Mhm.
it means that we must switch to RSpamD.
Yes.
But now we can believe that we can hope that maybe Emmanuel or Karin, maybe they can find solution.
Yes.
And if at the end none of us have solution, we have no choice than switch to RSpamD. Let's
Yeah.
give maybe until the end of this week to Emmanuel and see Emmanuel and Karin and see what they can do.
Okay.
Okay, so your next step is to continue on SpamAssassin, right?
Yes, my next step is just to continue with SpamAssassin.
Okay. Okay. Let's continue with Karin.
Okay, share my screen. Okay. So yesterday after the meet, I found out that I couldn't send email anymore. So that's why we couldn't see the spam mail tester result. So I removed all the SpamAssassin configurations and then tried again. And I had like 10 out of 10 yesterday. And I continued on the training and on the referral. And this morning, so I started working on why I can't send to Proton. So I tried again sending to Gmail. So this is Proton. So this was sending from Proton email to Roundcube, and I can receive. Oh, this one was today, and I can receive. And also I tried sending from Roundcube to Yahoo, and also I could receive, and I replied this, and it also go through, and to Gmail also, so I can send to Gmail, and Gmail can send to Roundcube. But when I send to Proton, I can't send. So Proton to Roundcube is go through, and but Roundcube to Proton, I also have this. So I asked chat, and he said to test on Spam House, the domain. So I had like I'm listing here in Spam House. And then, so there are things that should be done then. I copied this and asked chat, what should I do then? He gave those steps. And here I have like, make sure this has working website. So the technologyhub.com. And at first I had nothing on there. So there was like nothing. So I created this little simple page. And I verified also all of the records. They are all okay. So I am continuing on this step. On those steps, hoping that will fix the issue. And before the meet, I test on SpamAssassin. So I had like 9.2, and they show us here on the SpamAssassin. So I will check for this to make it like 10 out of 10. So maybe that's why I will be able to send to Proton email. So that's what I did.
Okay, and have you tested with attach file when you are sending email? Did you try to attach a file?
I didn't test yet. I just sent like
test.
simple. Okay, I think let's try to send to.
You said that
send to your Gmail. If Proton is
Okay.
not,
I can't send to Proton.
you can send to Proton, but you cannot send from Proton.
I can send from Proton, but I cannot send to Proton.
Okay.
Yes. Maybe I can just create a new files. It's like not.
Can you try
send to Proton. Yeah.
Sorry?
You said you can send from Roundcube to Proton, right?
From Proton to Roundcube, not from Roundcube to Proton.
Okay.
Okay, you can send from Gmail or from Yahoo or from Proton to your domain now. The incoming path, yes.
The file, the attached file. Yes, I can receive from Gmail.
You need to note down all the scenario and test all the. I think your first step, your next step now is to note down all the scenario where you are sending from your domain to Proton, to Gmail, to Yahoo, and when you are sending from those ESP to your domain, when you are including the attached file, and you also have the replay inside thread. You need to test them. You send email to Yahoo and you reply to see if a reply is working, because it's not, because I don't know, but let's assume that you have it is possible to send, but the reply maybe it's not working, or maybe it's not stay inside the same thread.
Mhm.
You see, like in Gmail, when you are replying to email, that will stay in the same thread.
Oh, this was the attached file. Yes, sir.
That go to spam.
Yes, it went to spam.
Okay, it means that sending the DKIM, all those are working okay.
Yes, they are all okay.
Okay. And what did you do to solve? Because yesterday you was not able to send to Proton, something like that.
So I'm not still able to send to Proton, but I tested it and I can actually send from Proton to Roundcube, but
Okay.
I'm not able to send to Proton yet.
And
I
on
still
technical part, what did you solve? Because yesterday
Sorry.
there was issue with the mail tester.
Okay, so it was because of the configurations about SpamAssassin I did yesterday. That's why I couldn't send.
Yes,
So
but
I removed all the configurations.
you
Yeah.
remove all SpamAssassin from your server.
Yes.
Can you show us your server? Can you check if SpamAssassin is still there or not?
Okay. I will check the comment.
Okay, maybe
Just,
the version. Try
You
to
can
check.
you can use either spamd or I don't know. It's
Which spam?
Which spam?
Yes, which
yes, yeah.
Okay. It's like maybe I should.
just write which.
Just type.
I can't write. Maybe there was.
The terminal is
Yeah.
frozen. You need to connect again.
Yes.
I used to have the same issue. There is a command I used. Now it can go up to even an hour without freezing. And you'll just ask ChatGPT.
Okay.
Yeah. It was so annoying.
Yes.
Okay. And you did not save the command somewhere on Godric. I think we cannot trust ChatGPT now anymore. It means that if we have some good command, I think we need to find some way to store them.
Yeah, maybe I'll just create a document for all the
Yes.
commands.
Because we cannot trust ChatGPT now anymore. We can trust him, but not 100%.
Yeah, not 100%.
You can trust him maybe for 40%, something like that.
Especially on things that you don't understand.
Yes,
It tells you to configure. It will mess you up.
exactly. So if we say that we cannot trust ChatGPT 100%, it means that we must create a documentation to save some good things that ChatGPT gives us from time to time. That can be create some good information. That can be some good command line.
Yeah.
Yes, especially something like this one for terminal.
I will switch my network. Maybe it's the network again. So.
Yeah.
Do you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Yes, it was the network. Okay, which SpamAssassin?
SpamD.
With
SpamD.
Like this.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, it's not there.
Yes.
The command is good and everything is good. Okay, so it means that you will start and when you are finished and when you uninstall spam, what did you do? Did you restart any services?
Yes, I restarted Postfix because there was configurations in Postfix in the master.cf and the main.cf. So I restarted.
Okay, okay. So you will start again from scratch with the SpamAssassin.
Yes, I need to start from scratch.
Okay. Okay, okay. I am just okay. Anyway, all of us we are blocking on that SpamAssassin. This is the problem with old software. They are very challenging.
Yeah.
It's like
Yes.
the operating system, old operating system like BSD. You know BSD?
No.
No.
BSD, try to type BSD there on Google. BSD was
BSD was like this.
yes. Package software distribution. Like this kind of OS, they don't have GUI, graphical user interface. So when you insert this on your command, you just see terminal. Also survive that FreeBSD. So that is the problem with all software. They are very powerful, but at the same time, when I say by powerful, they will give you a lot of freedom. You have a lot of freedom of what you are doing, but at the same time, the configurations can be sometimes complex.
Yeah, yeah. I also noted that installing software in Linux is very easy as compared to Windows. Sometimes in Windows you just install and you're told, oh, you need to update the paths. You go try searching the directions. So
And
if you
something on
get
Linux,
used to Linux, yeah.
and something on Linux is simple than is complex or it's simple than Windows.
It's easier to install software in Linux. Like you just run commands and it's installed. If it's not there, you can check maybe the
Yes,
permission.
yes, exactly.
Yeah. But in
Like,
Windows, you're doing things on the graphical user interface.
yes,
Sometimes doesn't install correctly in the right path.
exactly. Okay. Can we test on mail tester on Karin so you see again your score? Because yesterday we tried to test and your score was not working. I just want to make sure
This
that
okay. This was what I tested before the meet.
yes, but I want to test now to make sure that it is working.
Okay. So I was sent from here. Oh,
Wow.
now it's 10.
Even
Okay.
SpamAssassin likes you.
Okay. Can you check on that yellow? Because you have some yellow. Your message could be improved here. Okay. That's nothing. Can you scroll down again? On that, yes, on that yellow, your message does not, yes.
And subscribe header.
Okay. Now you hit 10 or 10. Okay. Perfect. Do you have anything to share? Any suggestion? Anything to add?
No, not for now.
Okay. And you, Godric, do you have anything to add?
Even me, right now, nothing, sir.
Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
You too, sir.
Thank you. Have a
See you
nice
tomorrow.
day. Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.